Hi guys, it's Andy from Altspc. How you going? Today we're going to run through how to book a space if you are a guest. So first thing we do is we go search for our spaces. Today I'm looking for a listing that I made specifically for this video, which is a hair and beauty listing. It's an empty chair in a salon. So by clicking on the type of listing that I'm looking for, bring up a map. I can scroll the map to where I know it is. So every time you scroll the map, it's going to reveal the listings in that location. You can zoom in and zoom out. It'll reveal more or reduce the listings depending on which one you do. So listing page, here it is. Everything you need to know. Got pictures, description, title, opening hours, the amenities that the space includes, points of interest like the neighborhood, what's it like, any house rules that you need to abide by, and in the top right, most importantly, the prices. So this one we can rent by hour, day, week or month, and we're going to specifically focus on hour today. So clicking on the do you need hourly bookings underneath, we select the number of spaces that we want. I only want one chair, and then I can choose what day. So opening the calendar, we select the day that works for us. Now you can only put one time slot, you can't do two time slots like this, so you can only choose one time slot per save. So clicking add time to booking saves your booking, so you can then add another time slot on that day. So as you can see, I've just saved 2 time slots on the one day, and then I can go and select other days that work for me, suit my needs. So I'm going to do 1 to 9 AM, maybe actually 2 to 10, and then add that to booking, saves it underneath. I can then go back up to the calendar and change the day. Maybe I'll go up to Friday. Some of this has been booked out. The owner's made this not available, so I'll go Friday afternoon, save that to the booking, and you can see all of the bookings that you've made. You can just delete them with the red cross if they're not relevant anymore. So when you're ready to go through, just request a booking button, and this will bring you up to the confirmation page. So there are all the details of the booking that you just put in. If you don't like, if you made a mistake, you can hit that edit booking button and it'll take you back so you can make the changes that you need. And then it'll tell you all the time slots you've got, the breakdown of the costs, and then the ability to enter a coupon. There are coupons floating around, so you can enter them there. And when you're ready to pay, you need to check this box, because this will then enable the PayPal drop-down payment system, and then you can either go and sign through PayPal or you can use a credit card on the website. So no money is taken out of your account at this point in time. What happens is this is then sent off to the host when you click that button for them to approve your booking, and then once the booking is approved by the host, payment will be taken. So then if you go up to your dashboards, over to my bookings, this will show you all of the bookings you've made and all the bookings that you have coming up, and you'll be able to keep on top of them and know exactly when you're supposed to go into a space and when you're supposed to leave. So guys, that's a super easy way to get onto the bookings. If you've got any questions, bottom right hand corner on the blue speech bubble. We'll talk to you soon.